This is your anchor. Let's go. Wrap it around each peg clockwise. And your loom should be looking something like this. Grab the yarn and slip it off and go around your loom. And then you wrap each peg cross clockwise again. We have to take our last loops off of the loom, and that is called binding off. Start with your number 1 peg, and you go in. Take your needle and go in like this, and you're gonna pull your yarn through. Do the same thing on your anchor peg. This is called binding off, securing your last. That is off the loom. Here's your working tail. See, I still have my needle attached, and we're gonna pull the working yarn so that it closes up our hat. Our working yarn is in the inside, and we're gonna pull this, and then we're gonna stitch until this section is completely secure. Then after, so this is how it's looking, and we're gonna, so here they are all finished. I did